Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Wells Fargo online account detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your Wells Fargo online account, start by visiting the official Wells Fargo website. On the home page, locate the Sign On button in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign On button. Underneath the Sign On fields, find and click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to the Account Recovery page. Enter your Wells Fargo username in the designated field. Next, input the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Click the Continue button to proceed. You will receive an email with instructions to reset your password. Open your email account and look for the Wells Fargo password reset email. Follow the link provided in the email to access the password reset page. Input your new password, making sure it meets the security criteria listed. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the provided field. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to finalize the password reset. After successfully resetting your password, return to the Wells Fargo homepage. Click the Sign On button again. Enter your username and the new password you just created. Click the Sign On button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wells Fargo customer support. Make sure to keep your account information secure to prevent future access issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.